Hello, I'll be unboxing this Adidas Daily 3 shoes. As we can see at the back of the box, it shows how, like, it talks about the materials Adidas uses. I got it in a US size 10. Alright, so let's just unbox it. So here's the shoe. Yeah, it's black and white with a suede-like material or like a felt type of material. Here's like the sole. Yeah, it's the other side. Yeah, it looks. I like the felt material. Here's the tongue as well. In US 10. Yeah. And the insole feels quite comfortable just based on touching it here. Yeah. Here's the other shoe, and it comes with a tag, just like talking about uh, just like how to clean it and stuff like that. And yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching.